Tired of struggling with dough, uneven toppings, or soggy crusts? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best pizza tools for preparing professional quality pizzas on Amazon. From dough handling to perfect baking, I'll break down what makes each tool a must-have for any home chef. And of course, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's get started and take your pizza game to the next level. Number 1. Overall best pick, Pizza Stone for Oven and Grill Set. This kit really steps up your home pizza game. The 15 stone with handles is generously sized and transmits heat evenly, giving you a crisp, golden crust whether you're baking or grilling. The included peel and dough tool make handling and shaping much easier and more professional looking. Another big plus, the cutter is sharp and efficient, and all 5 pieces come together affordably in one set, so you're fully equipped from dough to slice. On the downside, the stone is quite heavy and takes time to preheat properly, so it's not ideal for a quick lunch bake. Also, if you're limited on oven space, the large rectangular stone might crowd your grill or oven. Overall though, if you bake pizzas or bread regularly and want a full set of tools, this is a smart buy. Number 2. My second best pick, New Star Food Service Pizza Peel. This pizza peel feels very solid. The basswood construction is sturdy yet light enough to maneuver confidently, and the broad 14x14 paddle gives ample support for transferring large pizzas. The tapered half-inch blade edge makes sliding under a pie much easier without disturbing the toppings. Many users will appreciate how its natural wood texture avoids any weird taste or oil leaching, keeping the food clean and flavorful. That on the flip side, the 36 overall length means you'll need enough clearance and space. If your oven or grill area is small, the handle might feel a bit long or cumbersome to store. Also, as with most wooden tools, it's hand wash only and requires occasional oiling. Number 3. My third best pick, LXLERMX Pizza Peel 16-inch. This peel scores major points for its generous size and smooth bamboo build. The 16-inch paddle gives plenty of room for large pizzas, and the natural bamboo surface is polished and looks great. The beveled edge and slim profile make it easier to slide under dough without messing up your toppings, which is a big plus. Also worth noting, the handle feels comfortable and the peel doubles as a serving board for pizza, bread, or even fruit, making it quite versatile. On the downside, because it's fairly large, it requires more storage space and can be a little unwieldy in a smaller kitchen. Also, as with any wooden tool, you'll need to hand wash and properly dry it to avoid warping or cracking over time. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Kitchen Star Pizza Cutter Rocker Blade. This rocker blade is seriously convenient if you regularly make large pizzas. The wide, curved stainless steel blade lets you slice through thick crusts and loads of toppings in a smooth rocking motion without disturbing your pie. It also includes a protective cover for safe storage and is labeled as dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. On the flip side, the 16-inch size is bulky. It takes up space and might feel overkill if you usually bake smaller 10, 12 pizzas. Also, while it's dishwasher safe, hand washing will better preserve the sharp edge over time. If you bake big pies often and want professional slicing ease, this cutter is a strong choice. Just ensure you've got the storage and size compatibility. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Chef Pomodoro Aluminum Metal Pizza Peel. This pizza peel offers a smart blend of features. The commercial-grade aluminum paddle is durable, handles high oven or grill heat well, and its smooth surface makes sliding pizzas in and out much easier. The foldable pine wood handle is a standout. It collapses for storage, so it's ideal if you're working in a tighter kitchen or apartment. One pro, the compact size is versatile for both breads and small to medium pizzas. Another pro, the aluminum keeps the tool lighter than full wood alternatives, so maneuvering is easier. Overall, if you bake regularly and want a sturdy, space-saving peel that works well for home ovens and smaller grills, this is a solid buy. If you're baking very large pies often, you might want to check for a larger version. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite pizza tools for preparing professional? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're writing with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.